Understanding Name Calling, an English language tutorial. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we'll explore a common phrase that you might have heard, name calling. Let's dive into what it means, why it's used, and how you can respond to it. Stay tuned to learn all about this term. Name-calling is a term used when someone uses unkind or rude words to describe or insult another person. It's often used to hurt someone's feelings or to show dislike. It's not a physical action, but it can be just as harmful because words have power. Remember, name-calling is not a respectful way to communicate with others. To understand better, let's look at some examples. Calling someone lazy because they don't meet your expectations. Using a derogatory term related to someone's race, appearance, or intelligence. Remember, these are not just words. They can be deeply hurtful and are considered bullying behavior. Name-calling can have a lasting impact on a person's self-esteem and mental health. It's important to recognize that words can cause emotional pain and lead to a negative environment. This is why it's crucial to promote kind and respectful communication. If you're the target of name-calling, it's vital to stay calm and not retaliate with more name-calling. Talk to someone you trust, like a friend, teacher, or family member. Remember that the problem lies with the person making the insults, not with you. We hope this video has helped you understand what name-calling means and why it's important to avoid it. Always strive for kindness and respect in your words. If you found this helpful, please like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.